What is going on, squad? Today we are going to cover how to perform the incline chest press on the Isochain, because there are two ways, but for both you need a bench, and I'll explain why. One of the most annoying parts about working the pectoralis major is hitting that clavicular head. You know, the top part of the chest that always seems to be flat, but the bottom part always seems to come out. Yeah, that right there. So we're gonna take care of that. If we're talking about hypertrophy, we all know on the channel that we have to hit a specific load and time amount to stimulate a hypertrophic response. If you haven't seen the video on isometric hypertrophy, here's the link right here. Go ahead and check that out if you're not familiar. But this is just about what to hit and how to hit it, strength or hypertrophy. So let's get into it. Let me show you guys exactly what this looks like. It's a little weird. First thing I want to do is give credit where it's due. So shout out to my client Dave out in the UK. I promise you I'd give you the shout out because you are the one that mentioned that it is all about angles. So whether we are up on an incline or not, as long as the angle is driving the force into the muscle in question, it doesn't matter how it's set up. Let's show the squad exactly how this performs. Once you got the bench set up, I want to show you guys the difference between a skull crusher and an incline chest press on the Isochain. For example, my skull crusher chain link is 5. For my incline chest press on the Isochain, it's 12. So I already have it set to 12. I want to show you guys exactly what it looks like. This is the length for the incline chest press. Now, I want to show you guys what the skull crusher looks like. Like I said, it's on chain link 12 right now. If I had it on chain link 5, it'd be more like this. It feels like this is exactly where it is. So chain link 12 brings it all the way up here. Now, notice the pull versus push. If it is skull crusher, you are in this position and you are pulling it. It's more of a pull. With the incline chest press, it's more of a push. So if you look at my hands right now my elbows are bent. They're bent like right at this angle here. You see that angle? That's how bent my elbows are on the incline chest press. You see the angle. So I'm gonna point out, I'll put a little arrow annotation here. So this is the angle. Where is the force driving? You see that? It's right there. It's going right to the top. So when you push into it, you get all the benefits of an incline chest press. Now, with the chain link that high, you're not really able to get it in a shortened position, right? It's all lengthened. So there is no top, mid, bottom position. It's pretty much only top. Now, you can work different angles with the custom bench press setup. And here's a link right here. You can go ahead and check that out. But even that one won't allow you to get into the bottom where you start to get into the negative. It's neutral and top only. So the range of motion is still limited until Dragon Door maybe graces us with a custom Isochain bench press. Awesome fingers. Let's start a petition for that. Now I want to show you guys why this works. So check this out first. I'm going to make a little video edit for you guys. You see the angle here? Now I'm just going to edit the video. I'm just going to adjust it, and right there, what does that look like? Now my arms are completely straight, but my back is up at an angle. I know I just edited the video, but that mimics what? Here it is, right there, the incline chest press. The only difference is that you're flat and you're pushing a little away from you. I want to be the first to say, is this perfect? No, it's not perfect. So this variation of chest press definitely has its flaws. It's a variation I wanted to show to the squad to give us another option. That's all. We are very limited in chest work. I feel like it's literally the only flaw the Isochain has. The only one. Fly work is great with the chest press, but unless you custom make a chest press with the Isochain bar, you're probably not gonna get it. So it helps to have all these different variations. I know not everyone on the channel is a DIY guy. I'm somewhat one, like, I'm willing to do it to an extent, but some people would just rather be like, I don't want to do that. This is what I paid the money for, so it's already a set package when I buy it. I don't want to have to create Noah's Ark to do my workout, or otherwise I wouldn't bother. I totally get it. I understand y'all too. All right, so I would recommend doing this variation. I have seen some success with it, and the reason I say some is because I've only been doing it for coming up on 3 weeks right now, and I do notice a difference. It has been increasing, but I haven't really truly tested it because I don't incline bench in my program. I only flat flat bench in my weightlifting program right now. I might switch that up in my program coming in March, but not now. My deal right now is flat only. So if you'd like to see the translation, stay tuned for that. But other than that, short, sweet, to the point. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Any other variations that you guys, the squad, have come up with that you'd like me to cover on the channel, comment down below. Sometimes we just need a whole video for everyone to see it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to drop a like, go ahead and comment. And if you're not yet part of the squad, hit that subscribe button. What you waiting for? Come join the squad. We'll see you next video. Peace.